Today I'm going to show you how to add the Screencastify extension to your Chrome browser on your Chromebook. So up here in the upper left hand corner when you have a Chrome window open, if you click on Apps, there should be a choice that says Web Store. So I'm going to click Web Store. And up here in the upper left hand side it says search the store. Now when you're at school here, you're only allowed to access extensions in the store that we have kind of put out there for you to grab. So if you type in Screencastify, which is Screencastify, then you'll notice that it pops up at the top and there's a choice that says add to Chrome. So I'm going to click on add to Chrome. And it says, do you want to add this? And it's telling you what it can do. And you are going to click on add extension. You may notice that it's adding some things along here. You saw my Chrome app flicker a little bit. Once it is loaded on your browser, you should be able to see the little Screencastify icon up near where your Google Chrome account picture, or maybe it's your letter from your name. You can see the icon right here. It looks like a little video camera and an arrow, and then now that looks, you can see it right up in there. So now we are making a screencast. And if we want to open it up, we'll click on that icon right there.